I've been running Facebook ads for 10 years and I'm gonna give you some advice and some experience. I'm gonna share 7 things that you need to do in order to be successful with Facebook ads because we pretty much know that Facebook ads are very, very difficult right now. So I urge you to watch this video till the end if you wanna be successful because I'm not one of those business gurus who would say, yeah, everything is perfect, everything is great. All you need to do is click here, and the money appears. No, I'm gonna be completely honest with you in this video. So I'm gonna start by, and I'm gonna share the first thing I have on my list. I'm gonna use some amazing technology. You've never seen anything like this on YouTube before. So make sure you subscribe to my channel, comment below, whatever you do the YouTube stuff. The first thing that you need to do to be successful with Facebook ads would be to aware that Facebook ads constantly changes. There are a bunch of updates that come to the platform and you need to be always up to date if you want to be successful. So what happened during the years? During the years we had a lot of changes. The first major change we had was the iOS 14 update. It introduced a lot of confusion, it introduced a lot of misinformation. A lot of people went crazy. A lot of people lost a lot of money because Facebook ads platform became less effective. Now, right now, we have the AI coming into Facebook ads. We have Advantage Plus campaign. We have Advantage Creative. We have a lot of like innovation. So, in order for you to stay up to date with Facebook ads, you need to be constantly reading, watching YouTube videos, so subscribe to my channel if you want to learn the newest stuff coming to Facebook ads because I'm making new videos each and every day. So you need to stay up to date with Facebook. I don't care what you do. I don't care how smart you are. I don't care how much money you make right now. If you don't stay up to date with Facebook ads, at one moment you're gonna be weeded out, right? It's that simple. The next thing that I'm gonna talk about, let me use my magical technology. So the next thing that I'm gonna talk about is to improve your offer, right? And this kind of like starts from my previous point, right? Facebook will change. Facebook will be different. There's gonna be a lot of chaos. In most of the cases, there is not much you could do on Facebook ads. Yes, you can try Advantage Plus, you can try Medio campaign, you can change your creative, you can change your bidding strategy, you can increase, decrease your budget, you can change your, let's say, bidding structure, but still you have a lot of opportunity within Facebook ads, but 80% of your results, and a lot of people won't say that, 80% of your results will come outside Facebook. And the number one thing that will dictate how successful you are with Facebook ads will be your offer. Will be your offer. What do you offer people? Are you offering something people want to buy? Is your offer desirable? The more desirable your offer is, the more money you're going to make. And I'm going to give you a very, very simple explanation. Do you remember when everybody started talking about Bitcoin? Everybody was, how do I start trading Bitcoin, etc., etc. Imagine if you had a book that teaches people how to buy and sell Bitcoin. At this moment, you would make a lot of money, right? The market was hungry for Bitcoin information, and at this point, you would make a lot of money. So your offer is 80% of your Facebook ads results. Very, 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 very important. Not a lot of people talk about it, but this is just the reality. The next thing that I want to talk about is called AOV, or AOV stands for average order value. I already said how Facebook ads are changing, and right now Facebook ads are becoming more and more expensive. To give you a little example, 2 or 3 years ago, the cost per click for a funnel in the USA was around $2 and $3. I was paying $2 to $3 per click. This year, because of election and because of like a lot of different factors, maybe more competition, the cost per click in the USA goes between $5 and $10. Even if I hard super hard, even if I try new creative, new angles, even if I try new campaign structure, even if I try like clickbait ads or whatever ads, I won't be able to drop that cost per click to like $1, right? So I don't have great control within this cost per click. But what I can do on my end would be to increase my average order value. For example, right now, if my product costs $100, and if it's the only thing I sell, I could add another bump. I could add another product for like let's say $50, and people can add this $50 product to their carts. I can offer a few upsell, let's say another $100 product and another $200 product, right? This will give me a lot of flexibility. And thanks to this strategy, I'll be able to scale. So if you want to really scale, don't focus that much on like how much you could reduce the cost per click, right? Or how much you could increase the CTR, right? Focus on increasing your average order value because this is something that you always control. This is something you always control. Okay, simple as that. Have a good offer with a high average order value. This is some of the things that I want to make clear here. Now let's get back to the list. Let me find it again because my technology is not great. It gets the job done. The next thing I want to talk about would be to be different and don't copy. There is the concept of like funnel hacking, where you go to somebody, you check their funnel and you just like implement the stuff they're doing, right? However, a lot of people are just like copy and pasting stuff. You're just like copying and pasting what other people do, which I believe is not great. Also, when we're doing digital marketing, when we're in the marketing space, there is always the question, what's working right now? What's working right now? And this is the fundamental idea where people go and copy other people. However, if you want to create a campaign that truly works and a campaign that truly scales, and here the key point is truly, I believe there is a great benefit in being unique, right? In being unique, in being different. What do you win when you are unique? You can come up with like fresh idea. You can come up with an idea that the market hasn't seen. So this idea will help you get a lot of clicks, right? Will help you increase your CTR, will help you lower your CPC, and with a good offer, you're just gonna crush it. So focus on being different. Don't be a copycat. Copycats usually make some success, but the person who makes the most money is usually the person who is the first, who is the early adopter, the person who created it. The next thing I'm gonna talk about, focus on ad copy. Ad copy on Facebook ads is extremely important. What do I mean? When you go online, you rarely buy a product without reading what it is, right? You need to read what it is. When you go on Amazon to buy a product, for example, you're gonna read the product description, right? You're gonna read what are the features and what are the benefits of the product. You wanna know what this product will do for you. And the better this page is written, the higher the chance of you buying, right? And pretty much the same applies on Facebook ads. When people are scrolling, you're gonna have the image, right, or the video to get people attention. But in order to make these people take action and in order to make these people buy your product, you need to have good copywriting, good copy. You need to have good hooks, right? You need to have good angles and you need to present your offer in a sexy way. And this always come through ad copy. Ad copy or just like copywriting because you're going to use the copy on your landing page. You're going to use the copy on your ad and it's just like a huge reaction, right? Now let's get back. The next thing that I want to talk about that you need and being successful with Facebook ads, it's psychology first and then it's technology, right? When we run Facebook ads, we all want to click those buttons. We all want to click on like duplicate, create. We want to do like the ninja stuff. However, if you understand human psychology, Facebook ads will become very easy. And here, when it comes to like media buying ads on Facebook, I believe there are like two elements. The first element is your psychology as the media buyer or the agency owner. And you need to understand that Facebook ads are money game. You spend money in order to make money back, right? It's kind of like you're trading. You buy and sell stock, but here you buy people attention and you sell them their products. This is how I feel about Facebook ads. So the higher the quality of my ad creative and my marketing, um, the for more I could sell my products. It becomes like a two-way street. I have people attention and then I drive this people attention into my product. And it's that simple. And I do that through spending money. When I spend money, I get data, and based on the data, I optimize. This is the first chunk of psychology. The second chunk of psychology is just you understanding basic marketing. And by basic marketing, what I mean is like what makes people take action. What actually makes people take action? What is it, right? Probably this is a topic for another video, but I'm gonna share some things that make people take action. This is number one, urgency, right? If you have a friend in town who is here for just 3 days, there is an urgency for you to see this friend immediately. If your friend is in the same spot, in the same town for like years, you don't have the urgency to see it now. So, urgency. Another marketing trigger is scarcity, right? For example, if you want to buy a product and if there are like only 47 of this product available, let's say if you're on Facebook and if you see an ad by your local like bakery store and they say we have these amazing croissants, we made these amazing croissants today. They are so delicious. They have like chocolate, like peanut butter, whatever gets you moving. But we have only four left. If you're really hungry, you're gonna rush to the store. I know you're gonna rush to the store. So it's psychology first, technology second. Second, focus on psychology. And and the last thing I want to talk about is like keep things simple. Keep things simple. And here I'm gonna give you a very good example right now. When people go to Facebook ads, they want to have a complicated funnel. They have like 11 pages of like upsells and like down sells and just like this craziness. But the more steps you add, the harder it becomes to optimize, and you really don't know where your funnel is breaking, right? If you go, even if you're like your campaign structure, you have like 55 campaigns optimized for different things, you're gonna lose track of it. So my advice is keep things simple. Start with a very simple funnel, right? Like a landing page and one offer. If people buy this offer, add another landing page and then add another offer. But overcomplicate at one step at a time. Don't start with something crazy, because if something crazy doesn't work, you don't know what to do. You don't know how to optimize it. Within your Facebook ad account, just don't do like crazy stuff. Run one code campaign, and then run one warm campaign, right? Don't do like 11 campaigns. Start simple. Start simple. Don't have like 100 ads. Maybe start with 4 to 5 ads and then start optimizing, right? In order for you to make an overcomplicated campaign work, you need to invest a lot of money, right? A lot of money. Because if you have like 100 ads running, imagine you need to spend like $100 on each ad to see if it's working. You need a huge budget for that. If you have a smaller budget, simplicity is key, right? If you're able to make a simple funnel work, then you can scale it. You can scale it. You can scale it through AOV. You can scale it through more budget on Facebook ads. But this is the reality. This is the reality. A lot of people don't want to admit it, but good Facebook ads results, amazing Facebook ads campaigns are built outside the Facebook Business Manager. Like the little technical stuff people do, like the manual bidding strategy, the scale, the duplicating to scale, whatever. Those things work if you already have a working funnel, right? Oh, this is like 20%. Those 20% will give you a huge boost, but without those seven things, you won't get it that far. If you want me to help you with your Facebook ads, check the links in the description below. Yeah, my name is Niko. In this channel, I talk about things the way they are. I don't care if you buy or not. I just don't care. I have like enough clients right now. But I just want to be the channel who is talking the things the way they are. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions. Make sure you watch my other videos. I'm not this like super polished, well talking YouTube guru. I cannot afford to not to tell the truth in my channel. So whatever I talk about, I believe in it 100%. So yeah, make sure you subscribe, and I'll talk to you soon.